pretty dolls, y'all already know when I start off the video like this, we are getting into some hair. Also, if I sound very stuffy, congested, that's because I am. I'm going through a lot with my allergies right now, so excuse that. ISEE Hair has done it again, and I'm here to show you guys another beautiful unit by them. And I just love their hot pink packaging. Is everything. Every time I do a wig review for ISEE Hair, it's always good hair. Like, I just know this is gonna be another great unit. So this is one of their newest units on their site. This is a light Yaki, okay? Light Yaki hair. And I know a lot of people like Yaki hair, but sometimes Yaki hair can be too thick or too coarse, and they don't like to deal with how much thickness it is or like just the coarse of it. But this right here is super light. I'm going to take this off so you guys can get a good visual of it. So this is an HD lace too as well, but get into the texture first before I get into anything else. This is the texture. It feels very light and it's super soft. I love light Yaki texture because this just reminds me of my hair, my real hair texture. And it just looks super more natural. For me, of course, being a black woman, this is definitely like our hair texture if we was to get like a blowout or whatever. And it looked like it is pre-plucked already for you with the middle part there. Inside of here, you do have your 9x6 HD lace. So this is how much lace you get. It's a 9x6 room of lace. You still get a lot of room of lace, even though it may look short. It does give you that deep part. So you do have a lot of room of lace to part in the middle. And if you wanted to, you could still do a side part. So don't think you can't do a side part just because you have this much room of lace. Right here, you do have your band. Okay, I love that because these things really help your hair not to slip back. And of course give you that glueless, you know, flawless application look. You do have your hooks in the back, which you can remove. These are removable. I actually like this because a lot of wigs do not come where it's easy to remove the comb in the back. So all you have to do is just literally slide it off, and you can slide it back on if you need it. But I personally don't like combs in my wigs in the back. It's very uncomfortable, so we're gonna remove that and get into the hair. Okay, yes, so I am going to adjust the band to make it a little bit more tighter for my liking for my head, and then we can just try this on before we do anything else. Ooh, y'all heard that? Y'all heard that little snap, right? Yes, that's the band back there, which is helping this be snug, okay? OMG. Hold on, y'all. Let me adjust it. When I say that the lace baby is lacing, it is giving. Oh, I thought this was actually a middle part, but it looks like it's like a side. I'm gonna turn my phone off because it keeps going off. So it's not really all the way in the middle. It's like side middle. Look at that lace. Literally laid down, no glue. Do you see it? Like, there's no glue. None. Okay, like, do not play with ISEE Hair. Do not play with her. Now, I've talked about this on my channel. I don't like my parts like look like it's supposed to be in the middle. Like, these type of parts make me feel like it's supposed to be in the middle, but it's not in the middle. Like, it's confused. So I'm going to make my part. And of course, I got my hot comb just to press down the areas that it needs to be pressed down. You guys probably can see my wig cap right there. That's my wig cap right here. I haven't put any like foundation or anything in it to make it blend. So if you guys see that, that's my wig cap. Don't worry. But literally gorgeous. There's no glue, y'all. It's just literally, it's just melted really good. It just matches with my complexion. I think anybody's complexion, honestly, because like I said, it's HD. Like, do y'all see the I can't even talk. Like the baby, the quality. Yeah. The quality is there. I'm gonna run my flat irons through it just so you guys can get a look of this hair actually being able to, you know, you being able to flat iron it, but this hair does come naturally really straight out of the box. So yeah, she ready to go. Okay. But I did run my hot comb down the hair just to make my part and just mold everything into place. But naturally this wig does come super flat and snug, okay, and it doesn't have any bulkiness to it. It does fit comfortably ear to ear, so I can still put my hair behind my ear if I wanted to. This is where the lace basically stops. It stops here, but what you can do is you can take out your real hair, especially since this is a Yaki textured wig. You can take it out right here and move it forward so that, you know, it can look even more realistic. Gorgeous. I am going to run my hot comb through this a little bit, not too much, because this hair definitely comes already nice and silky for you, but I just want to show you guys that you can use heat. This is 100% human hair, and that actually by you putting a little bit more heat to it, it does make it a little bit more silkier and straighter. Okay, this hair you can curl as well, but I'm going to leave mine straight. Look at that. What? Yeah. Okay. This wig said 1, 2, 3, done. 1, 2, 3, we can go. Okay. So now that looks a little bit more better for my liking. The parting, this lace is very transparent, so just make sure when you do wear your wig cap that you are wearing a wig cap that just blends really well. If you need to put some powder or anything on it, make sure you do that before putting on your wig, or if you want to do something like I just did, you can. This is a gorgeous unit all the way through. My final thoughts, I love it. This is one of the best Yaki wigs I've gotten. I like it. I can rub my hands through it. It's super soft. I like that I can literally throw this hair on and go. Like, that just gives for me. That's a 10 out of 10 for me, okay? And I don't have to do much because it's just a really pretty unit. It definitely have body to it. It lays down perfectly on its own. This is definitely a wig I will grab if I don't know what to do with my hair, or like I need something quick and I need to be at the door within seconds, within minutes, okay? This is gonna be the girl. And then on top of that, it's still giving my real hair texture, so it just looks very authentic on me, and of course it doesn't just rub off like, oh, you know, she has a wig on. You know, for us black girls, we need to wear our real hair texture more, that looks like our hair texture, and I feel like this is perfect for that. I love it so much. You know, it feels like me, it looks like me, it's for me, you know. But yes, thank y'all so much for watching. Everything will be listed down below for you all, and if you guys have any questions that I didn't mention in the video, definitely leave it down below. ISEE always do a very marvelous job at giving us girlies the right hair, okay? Good quality hair. So yes, I'll see you baby dolls in my next video, and I thank you guys so much for watching.